everyone, welcome to Spectrum classes. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to prepare 20% solution of sugar experimentally. So here is our balance which is guys. Now it is ready. Our sugar. So we first stir it and you are quite familiar with this term. So how much of sugar we need to weigh? First we need to calculate that. So here I'll just tell you how to prepare 20% sugar solution. Okay. So the calculations are percent solution is equal to weight of solute divided by volume of solution, right? So volume of solution means you are not talking about the solvent, right? This is solute. Here, what is called solute? Solute is sugar over here, which is present in lesser amount or in less concentration. That is called solute, and which is present in higher amount. That is called solvent. So, sugar is solute over here, and water serves as a solvent. Here, just by mistake, I forgot to multiply it by 100. So, guys, please forgive me for that. And you write 100 over there. Okay. So, now I'll just write 20%. So, how to write 20%? 20 divided by 100. So, I need to prepare 10 ml only. So, this is volume of solution. Now, how much weight of sugar I need? 2 grams of sugar in 10 ml of solution I need to add. So, here we'll just weigh 2 grams of sugar, right? So, here I'll just tell you if your weight is more than what you need, then in that case you can transfer your solute from this paper very softly. Don't push it hardly. Okay, if it is not possible, then you just take it off and you transfer the solute again to the box, and then you start doing that exercise. Otherwise, you very soft take your solute from there, from the pen, and if it is about very near to the value which we desire, so very small amount of solute you need to keep there. Though this take time, but still you will get accuracy. So here we are having 2.001. I'll transfer in the test tube because I am not having 10 ml measuring flask, and now I'll just check it how much weight I transferred to the test tube. So this much amount, this is actually variation just because of environmental disturbances also. So since its accuracy is 0.01 grams, so we are only bothered about the 0.01th place, right? Now to this sugar, we will add some amount of water. So this is 4 ml, right? This 4 ml I have transferred to this. That is why I always ask you to first put your solute in measuring flask and then add your solvent slowly. Just transfer it for your information to this measuring cylinder again. Though I do not need to do this, but I still doing this for your information. So 4 ml we have added, but it is now 5 ml. So solute also occupies some volume. So be very careful. We are not talking about the solvent volume. We are always talking about the volume of solution. So density you can check. This is very concentrated solution. Very carefully add the solvent up to the mark so that you will get what you actually calculated. So this is now 10 ml, only one drop. This is 9.9 ml actually. So one or two drops are still added to this so that you will get lower meniscus at 10. Okay. So in this way, one can prepare weight by volume solution. In the next video, we are going to prepare normal and molar solutions. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you all. So this is our 20% sugar solution.